Hi! Welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm planning on a get ready with me video, and also I'm gonna film or vlog some of our food later for Christmas Eve. So I'm filming today at 5:26 p.m. on 24th of December. Actually, gusto ko na talaga i-record kung ano yung gagawin namin today since it's 2020 and we're celebrating Christmas Eve on the quarantine. Yeah. So, I'll just blow dry my hair and also lalagay ko na rin yung contact lens ko. But after that, I'll be filming my makeup for tonight. So yeah. See you later. Hi! I'm back. And kakatapos ko lang kumain ng pasta. Kumain kami ng pesto for the meantime para hindi kami sobrang mabusog for later kasi mas madaming foods later, and my mom is planning or she's cooking Mexican food kasi yun naman yung pinaka-theme ng food namin or ng Christmas namin later. So, let's proceed now with my makeup. Look. Blend ko lang ulit yung concealer. So, nakapag-isip namin kung ano din yung color theme namin for this year's Christmas, and it's color pink. Oh, so, I think I have the dress for that. Yeah, may areas ako nakalimutan i-conceal. So, magko-conceal ulit tayo. Again, using Maybelline Fit Me. Yung shade ko is 10. I'm also using yung acne patch ko. Dahil nga, as I said earlier, meron akong isang pimple right now. And I'm also gonna be comparing other acne patches from this one that I'm using on my next video. So, yun. Late ko na. Yeah. Kanina pa ako salita ng salita. May pesto pala sa ipin ko. Yeah. Hard, guys. Hindi ko napansin. Next is cream contour. This one. I'm gonna use Quad Cosmetics multi-purpose mousse cream in the shade Big, and I'm gonna use this as my contour shade. Oh yeah, itong video na to actually gusto ko lang naman siya parang i-record kung paano kami mag-Christmas, lalo na ng COVID season or ng pandemic. Yeah, ngayong pandemic, and of course we all wanna remember this time of the year and how we push through and even celebrate Christmas even though na may pandemic na nangyayari sa buong mundo. I want to remember it and cherish it with my family, of course. And yeah. So yun. So ganun ako mag-contour ng nose ko. Hindi ba yung camera angles? Yung hindi ko lang masyado nagugustuhan dito is parang medyo may pagka-red yung undertone niya, medyo warm. Usually, diba, sabi doon nila, pag nose contour, dapat yung browns na pipiliin natin is cool. Right? Cool tone. Pero, well, still gonna use this one kasi medyo sayang din yung money if we didn't use this one. So, I'm also gonna put this on here, sa cheeks, like that. Idadot ko lang, tsaka ko i-blend. Bet ko talaga tong acne patch na to. Hindi siya halata. I guess. I don't know sa camera, pero like in person, hindi nakikita na meron akong acne patch dito sa face na to kahit pinapatungan ko siya ng makeup. I can definitely say then that my skin is not that perfect yet. Pero I'm still in the process and my skin has been loving the products that I'm using lately. Kaya gusto ko din i-share yun sa inyo. Dahil sobrang tagal kong nag-struggle sa acne talaga. And last month lang siya naging ganito ko okay. Na parang pag nag-wash ako ng face ko, hindi ko na nararamdaman yung sobrang daming bumps na which is lagi kong nararamdaman dati. So yeah. Okay, let's proceed with highlights. Oh, no, wait. Masyado ko na-excite gamitin yung bago kong Colourette, but I forgot. We're still gonna do brows and I'm gonna use my favorite brow product. I always put all of the products that I use sa description box. So, ito na yung usual na ginagamit ko talaga ever since pa. And also, actually, the Maybelline one. Kasi ang ganda talaga nito. And it's creamy kapag ilalagay. But it dries out to like a powder and hindi na-disturb yung product sa eyebrows ko. So that's how I do my brows. It's not that even, pero I can work with that now. So we're gonna proceed with I just bought this. This is the Colourette what do you call this? I forgot the nakalimutan ko yung pangalan nito. Shimmertints. Colourette Shimmertints in Crystal Prism. Sobrang satisfying pa nito. Actually, ito rin yung reason kaya ayoko din gamitin mo na to nung pagkabili ko. Yeah. Nalalagay rin ako sa I like this. Parang wet look yung pagka-shimmer niya. Okay. Patungan ko na ng again, powder. And gamitin ko yung sa Maybelline, yung lightest. Ito na talaga yung pinagkakatiwalaan ko to use as my nose contour and also my very basic eyeshadow din. Ito lang yung ginagamit ko para lang magka-shadows yung eyes ko. Okay. Now that I'm done with the powder, let's proceed with blush. Ito lang yung natataming brush na ginagamit ko for freaking blush. And when I do my blush, since rounded yung face ko, I focus it on the outer perimeters of my cheekbones. And actually, yung suot ko, I'm gonna use Lashsensational and also Hypercurl for my lashes. Isa lang yata yung hindi Maybelline na product na mascara ko dito sa makeup ko. And L'Oreal ko. Itong Hypercurl, mas gusto ko siya kapag medyo tumagal na siya. Yung medyo pa-dry out na yung product. Mas maganda yung application niya sa brows actually. Pero lastly, lips. I'm debating whether or not I'm gonna use Colorette's Emma or Maybelline Amazonian. Yung bagong formula nila for me is ewan ko bagong formula ba to sa bagong packaging nila, pero mas okay kasi sa akin yung nandito sa packaging na to. I really hated their products before kasi sobrang nagda-dry din ako doon. Iba na lips ko. I'm gonna show you guys later kung ano yung susuotin ko. I'll be Hi guys! So I'm debating on what to wear, either this dress or this one. Sweater. Tapos ititerno ko lang siya with jeans and ito tuck-in ko lang. Like, so, pero parang I'm more leaning towards this one na lang. I also worn this one on my 20th birthday. Birthday ko this year. Nagpicture na rin kami with this one.